muna. Yung mga tanks ko, nasa na ba yun? Nasa yung mga ibang DPS ko, I need more brawlers pa. Kulang lacking ako brawlers. Ay, yo, listen. Party, naka-clap kite pa rin ba sila? Careful over the wall ah. Naka-brawl na yata sila eh.
May pumapasok dito sa ano.
Okay. Yo, tanks. Dismount on me. Yo, tanks, spread. Can you go around? Tanks go around. Spread. Yo, brawlers stay mounted. Yung mga DPS ko, just stay dismounted ah. Yung mga Realm Breaker and Spike, stay dismounted ah. Yo, brawlers. Tanks start going around southwest side. Everyone step up a bit. Step up a bit. Yo, start brawling ah. Yo, keep coming. Yo, careful. They're gonna engage inside. Careful. Start brawling inside. Careful, they might engage in the middle. Defense middle. Get ready. Wait. Not yet. Careful. Spread and brawl. Wait. Yo, defend now. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Start brawling. Spread and brawl now. Spread and brawl now. Spread and brawl inside. Spread and brawl. There's space out. Good. Focus on the healer. Spread. Janelski's the skull, okay? Careful, okay? Ready defenses. Spread again, boys. Spread again. Careful. You're two clump up west side. Careful, boys. Careful. Ready defenses in the middle. Hold. Spread. Defend now. Oh my god. Unpro, Monkey, Kushel. Two clumped up. Ano ba? Keep rolling. Healers first, guys. Yung mga naka-purities muna, guys. Okay? Careful again. Spread. Ready defenses. Fake. Ready defenses. Okay? Skull is looking. Spread. DPS, I need you to regear fast. Spread. Color looking north. Color east. Defend east. Oh my god, napapangit ang reaction time nyo. May mga clericals kayo, hindi kayo nagre-react at all. Ang sama nyo talaga, promise. Keep rolling. You have potions, you have clericals, pero for some reason, you guys are fucking up, man.
CDG northeast side.
Yo, regear. Come inside, Terry. Careful, they're looking. Janelski looking west side. Careful, he's looking inside. Spread. Defense inside. Heal up Ben agad. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Okay, then spread. Everyone regear. Spread. They're gonna engage again. Okay, Janelski looking north. Janelski looking east. Janelski looking at the healers. Janelski looking south. Careful middle. He's looking middle. Careful.
Okay na, bawas na sila.
Middle. Ready. Defend now. Dimis. Heal up agad. Okay, brawl. Keep rolling around. Yo, my solo bombers focus on their healers. Okay? Wait, spread again, Marlika. Spread now. Ingat. Spread.
CDG is northeast, diba?
Spread. It's fine. Just brawl. Spread. Defend the middle. Dimis. Keep rolling now. Dimis.
CDG coming in from northeast.
Yo, push southwest now. Okay, spread southwest. Sa southwest side here. Spread southwest.
Load natin yung agil.
Yeah. Yo, careful. Janelski looking Spread inside. Janelski looking on the choke. Careful. Ready defenses. Ready your potions. Okay? Mag-push kayo southwest side. Okay? Careful, Marlika. Careful. He's looking on the choke. Ready. Defense na on the choke. Oh my god. Bakit natin nasa choke? Please, man. Ang retarded nyo. Okay. Come northeast. We come Terry. Come middle. Okay. Yo, tanks. Come north. DPS figure. Yo, I need more brawlers. Fucking retards. You have clericals.
Tama na guys, stop. Come back.
You have clericals, you have potions. Somehow you guys are dying, which you're not supposed to be dying. Ay fuck.
Dahil na.
Yo, tanks mount up. I need more brawlers. Yo, everyone, listen. Walk in. Tanks walk in. Southeast, tanks walk in southeast. 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 Guys, spread out east side. Tank. Yo, guys, I'm here, southeast side. Hello? Where's everyone? Spread. They're gonna turn soon, Spread. Walk. Keep pushing east side. Brawlers be behind them. Brawlers be behind them. Push in. They're looking on the choke west side. Careful. Brawlers, walk in. Spread inside. They're gonna look inside. Spread. Guys, get out of the northwest and come south, man. Come fucking south. Push them. They're dying. Just push them. Heal up. It's fuck,
Madali
man.
to, guys.
Why are you
Mas
bunch of
madali.
pussies?
Mas madali sila, mas madali.
Just push. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Make sure you're on the southwest side. Marlika. Keep pushing. Huwag kayo sa northeast side, please. Keep pushing southwest.
Northeast yung Agila, guys. Northeast
Yeah,
yan.
keep pushing southwest. It's fine. We're on top of them. Just keep pushing them. They can't kite away from us. Keep pushing them south. Boys. Keep pushing south. Make sure you're on the south of them. Boots up if you have to. Mount up if you have to. Make sure you're on the south of them. Lurky, huwag kang lumayo. May healers kami dito. Yo, heal up. Keep pushing southwest, guys. Keep pushing southeast sa choke. Push southeast sa choke, boys. Push southeast sa choke. Keep pushing and brawling. Southeast sa choke. Cleanses. Keep pushing and heal up. Heal on me. Heal south. Where's my healers? Heal south. Brawl south. Tanks hold Agila. Everyone keep pushing south. Keep rolling inside. Keep rolling. Right? They're dying. Keep rolling and spreading. Kill these guys inside. Oh, yo, now spread. We turn Agila now, Spread. We turn to Agila now. Wake up. Spread. We turn to Agila. Everyone start pushing Agila now. Tanks walk in. We push Agila now. They're gonna try to kite to the choke. Okay? Don't let them kite to the choke. Keep pushing. Yo, some of the people start walking past the choke. Defend in the middle. Heal middle. Good. Now start brawling. They're gonna try to kite sa choke. Don't let them reset. Okay? Brawl and spread. Okay, come northwest. They're trying to kite northwest. Okay? Come northwest sa choke. Keep. Pass through the choke. Northwest. Everyone with ease. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone with ease inside. And spread northwest. They're low. Spread. They're gonna engage inside. Defend inside. Heal. Good. Keep pushing now. Keep pushing northwest now. It's okay. We're healthy. They're low. Keep pushing them. Focus on their healers, boys. Spread. Keep pushing them. Yeah, keep killing them. They're low. Careful. Spread. West side, Marta. West side. Look at me. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Kill these guys. Nice. Then spread. Keep pushing them. They're gonna turn soon, Keep pushing. Fuck, kailangan ko ba kayo sigawan para mag-push kayo lahat? Right? Ang dali, diba? Push lang tayo ng push.
Running. Ang chariot ulit.
Fuck, man. Pussies. Kanina ko ba yung sinasabihan mag-push? Lahat kayo nasa Terry. Just push! Takapi nga pussy. Come sa Terry. The banner. Fucking annoying, man.
Si Rafael lang dito, sa ping. May patay ang si Rafael. Can you guys catch him?
DPS, stop damage testing DPS. Stop fucking damage testing. If you see the skull on top of you or going towards you, pop your potion, pop your clerical. I don't know why you guys are fucking dying, to be honest. It's a skill issue pag namatay kayo with your clerical and your potions. It's just really skill issue.
Tayo na sobrang obvious na engage nila, hindi ko alam ba't kayo namamatay. Yung weird.
Yeah, it's very obvious. Why are you dying?
Sarap mag-solo bomb.
Ilang kills ka karon?
Ah,
The DPS that, you know, keeps on dying sa first engages, right? This, na. Come on, wake up!
ay, tatlo lang napatay ko.
Guys, if you want,
Yan, issue.